Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. If the cost of 1 dozen soaps is 306 rupees, what will be the cost of 15 such soaps? Let's see the solution. We know that 1 dozen is equal to 12 items. So, therefore, cost of 12 soaps is equal to 306 rupees. Cost of 1 soap, that means that is equal to 306 by 12. 306 is divided by 12. 12 is cancelled, that 306 is 25.50 rupees. 1 soap cost is 25.50 rupees. You find cost of 15 soaps is equal to 15 into 25.50 rupees. So 15 into 25.50 is 382.50 rupees. Total cost of 15 soaps is 382.50 rupees. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.